the top 7 vitamins to repair your nerves. Welcome, viewers, to a lively discussion about nerve repair and the pivotal role played by essential vitamins. Today, we are exploring the complex world of nerve health, the cornerstone of our overall well-being. Like a well-developed communication network, our nervous system conventionally transmits signals between our brain and organs, muscles, and tissues. It is not surprising that nutrition is the key to its optimal function. This video aims to unravel the mystery behind 7 vital vitamins that have the power to repair and strengthen our nerves. These vitamins act as stimulators of nerve growth and maintenance, which may alleviate the painful symptoms associated with nerve damage. Have you ever experienced inexplicable tingling or felt subtle whispers of discomfort in your nervous system? These signals may be your body's way of signaling for a little extra care. Do not be afraid, because we are about to open the secrets of caring for your nerves with these essential vitamins. Our nerves, these unknown heroes, facilitate the smooth exchange of messages between our brain and the rest of our body. Ensuring their optimal health is crucial for our ability to move, feel, and work effortlessly. So, join us on this informative journey where we unveil powerful vitamins that can be your reliable nerve companions. But before we dive into this treasure trove of knowledge, a quick reminder. While this content serves purely educational purposes, it's always wise to consult your healthcare professional about any medical concerns. Number 1. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, commonly referred to as thiamine, is a crucial B-complex vitamin vital for nerve functionality and various biological processes. It operates as a coenzyme during glucose metabolism, a fundamental process for generating energy. Furthermore, it aids in neurotransmitter creation, facilitating the transmission of signals within the nervous system. Nerve damage stemming from injuries, diabetes, alcoholism, or nutritional deficiencies can lead to degeneration and malfunction, manifesting symptoms like tingling, numbness, weakness, and even paralysis. Vitamin B1 plays a pivotal role in nerve rejuvenation through diverse pathways, boosting nerve growth by aiding in the production of nerve growth factor, crucial for nerve healing and maintenance. With B1 deficiency potentially lowering nerve growth factor levels, it contributes to increased nerve conductivity by supporting the development of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers, crucial for optimal nerve function. As an antioxidant, B1 combats reactive oxygen species produced during nerve injury, safeguarding neurons from further damage and aiding in their recovery. Additionally, its involvement in glucose metabolism ensures a suitable energy source for neuron regeneration and function. Its insufficiency can hamper energy production, affecting nerve health. Thiamine is found in various foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and lean meats, and a well-balanced diet rich in these sources can prevent B1 deficiency and bolster the health of the nervous system. The next vitamin that we need to discuss is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a fundamental B vitamin essential for nerve health, crucial in producing neurotransmitters that enable communication among nerve cells. It also contributes to creating hemoglobin, essential for transporting oxygen to nerves and tissues. Foods like bananas, chickpeas, poultry, potatoes, and fish, abundant in B6, promote nerve health, but it's vital to follow recommended supplement dosages. Pyridoxine, a versatile nutrient, not only supports neurotransmitter production, but also aids in amino acid metabolism, red blood cell formation, and DNA synthesis. Though rare, deficiency can lead to tingling, seizures, and mood disturbances, emphasizing the importance of a balanced intake to prevent nerve damage. Excellent sources include chickpeas, bananas, avocados, and specific fish. Similar to thiamine, vitamin B6 contributes to energy production from carbohydrates and neurotransmitter synthesis for nerve cell communication. Poultry, fish, beans, and bananas are rich dietary sources, supplemented for those with insufficient intake. The recommended daily intake is 1.3 mg for women and 1.7 mg for men. Critical for a healthy nervous system, vitamin B6 supports neurotransmitter formation and myelin, the protective nerve covering. Adequate intake from sources like chickpeas, bananas, cereals, salmon, chicken, and rice is crucial for optimal nerve function. Meat vitamin B6, a vital player in nerve communication, aiding neurotransmitter creation, essential for seamless movement, sensation, and reaction within nerve cells. If you're finding this information helpful at all, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I may keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. Next up on our list is vitamin E. Vitamin E, also known as alpha-tocopherol, which stands as a crucial fat-soluble vitamin vital for maintaining robust nerve function. Its role as a potent antioxidant shields the body against free radicals, pivotal in repairing nerve damage and alleviating neuropathy symptoms. Its multifaceted contributions to nerve health involve antioxidant functions, anti-inflammatory traits combating chronic inflammation, enhancing blood flow for optimal nerve cell nutrition, safeguarding myelin, the protective nerve fiber covering, and supporting nerve regeneration by stimulating blood vessel growth and nerve growth factors. Foods rich in vitamin E such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils actively promote a healthy nervous system. With the utilization of oils like sunflower or safflower oil in cooking enhancing vitamin E intake. While supplements exist, consulting a healthcare professional before their use is advisable. Vitamin E serves as a guardian, defending nerve health by combating oxidative stress, aiding repair, and bolstering regeneration. The next vitamin that can benefit the nervous system is vitamin D. Also called calciferol, is a fat-soluble nutrient crucial for bone health, calcium regulation, and immune system support. Recent studies indicate its potential in aiding nerve recovery in conditions like neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. It stimulates nerve growth factors and myelin synthesis, facilitating nerve healing. Research published in the Journal of Neurochemistry demonstrates its ability to rejuvenate injured nerve cells in mice by augmenting nerve growth factors. Additionally, findings in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology illustrate its protective role against oxidative stress in brain cells. Low levels of vitamin D, as identified in research published in BMC Neurology, correlate with an increased risk of peripheral neuropathy. These discoveries emphasize the importance of maintaining adequate vitamin D levels to prevent and treat nerve damage. While sunlight serves as a primary source, supplements and fortified foods offer alternatives, especially for individuals with limited sun exposure or dietary constraints. Consulting a healthcare professional ensures appropriate guidance regarding supplementation. Another B vitamin that we need to mention, vitamin B12, also called cobalamin, is essential for maintaining, growing, and repairing nerve cells. Its role in nerve repair involves multiple functions, aiding in myelin production, accelerating nerve impulse transmission, regulating DNA synthesis for cell growth and repair, and decreasing harmful homocysteine levels that can damage nerves. Vitamin B12 supplementation has displayed the potential to improve nerve function and alleviate symptoms in conditions like diabetic neuropathy and nerve damage caused by chemotherapy. Animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and dairy serve as primary sources, leaving individuals following vegan or vegetarian diets more vulnerable to deficiency. For them, fortified foods or supplements are critical to ensure adequate intake of this vital nutrient. Vitamin B12 acts as a protective shield for nerves, essential for effective signaling and preventing nerve damage. Maintaining sufficient levels, whether through dietary choices or supplements, is crucial for optimal nerve health. Next up is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin vital for nerve restoration using diverse mechanisms. Initially, it aids in collagen synthesis, crucial for maintaining nerve sheath integrity. A shortage of this vitamin can weaken these sheaths, making nerves susceptible to harm. Secondly, its antioxidant qualities combat free radicals, shielding nerves and fostering repair. Thirdly, it assists the immune system in responding to nerve injury, facilitating cleanup and recovery. Lastly, vitamin C is necessary for neurotransmitter synthesis, essential for nerve signal transmission. Its scarcity can hinder function and impede repair. Found abundantly in citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, and broccoli, vitamin C-rich foods fortify nerve health, shielding nerves from oxidative harm and supporting repair. It serves as a natural tonic for nerve revitalization, aiding collagen formation, nerve structure, and regeneration. Yet, its vulnerability to heat suggests preferring raw or lightly cooked sources to preserve its benefits. Supplementation is available for those with insufficient dietary intake, with recommended daily doses at 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. Vitamin C continues to play a pivotal role in supporting nerve health, assisting natural healing processes, and safeguarding nerves against free radical-induced damage. Next up on our list is vitamin K, a fat-soluble nutrient recognized for its roles in blood clotting, bone strength, and heart health, which has recently gained prominence in nerve restoration and renewal. It plays a pivotal part in controlling bleeding by activating clotting factors and regulating bone calcium to lower cardiovascular risks. Recent research underscores its impact on nerve recovery, particularly mediated by GAS6, crucial for nerve cell survival and renewal. Insufficient vitamin K may reduce GAS levels, hindering nerve cell repair. Obtaining vitamin K from leafy greens like spinach, kale, broccoli, and animal products such as liver, eggs, cheese, and meat is essential. The recommended daily intake for adults is 90 to 120 micrograms for women and men, respectively. People with challenges in fat absorption or using specific medications might face a higher risk of deficiency. While incorporating these vitamin-rich foods can bolster nerve health, seeking advice from a healthcare expert before altering diets or taking supplements is recommended for optimal nerve restoration and functionality. Exploring the significance of 7 key vitamins in maintaining nerve health underscores their pivotal role in sustaining and repairing nerves. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can significantly enhance nerve wellness, but it's crucial to seek advice from a healthcare professional before implementing changes. Nurturing nerve health encompasses holistic practices such as regular exercise, effective stress management, and ensuring ample rest, all contributing to a vibrant and healthy life. If you find this information valuable, please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Wishing you continuous health and happiness from all of us at Healthy Habitat.